Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Surfshark VPN on your laptop. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need to get the installer from the official Surfshark website. You can find a great deal by using the link in the description below. Once you're on their site, look for the download section and click on Download VPN. Now, select the Windows version. For most laptops, you'll want the standard VPN app for Windows version. If you have a newer ARM-based laptop like some Surface models, choose the Windows ARM64 version instead. You can also get Surfshark from the Microsoft Store if you prefer. Once you click Download, find the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click to run it. When Windows asks for permission, click Yes, then click Install. The installation will complete quickly and launch the app automatically. Now, click the blue Login button. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one right in the app or log in using your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. The easiest way to connect is by clicking Quick Connect. This automatically finds the fastest server for you. Once connected, you'll see Connected and Safe appear on screen. If you want more control, you can browse the full server list on the left. Surfshark has over 3,200 servers across 100+ countries. Just click any country to connect, and you can favorite your preferred locations by clicking the star icon. The app also includes advanced features like multi-hop for extra privacy through 2 servers, static IP servers, and even dedicated IP options. And that's it. In just minutes, you can have Surfshark protecting your laptop. Don't forget to use the link in the description to get the best price on Surfshark and start securing your online activity today.